Hi, I wanted to show you our special for the paper crafting month for January, and what they are these beautiful letters that you can decorate for your house, for someone's room, as a gift. I wanted to show you what comes in the kit. I am spelling the word create for my office area, my creative zone. So this is what they will look like, and in this package, all you really need to have is a bottle of our liquid glass, which I would suggest that you purchase if you don't have it. That's all you need for the adhering. And so what you're going to get is the letter that you pick. It's a sturdy chipboard, about a 1/4 inch, maybe an 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/4, I don't know, maybe an 1/8. It's just a sturdy chipboard, and then your letter, and you'll glue that with the liquid glass. You get letters, a sheet of these beautiful rose gold letters, which will last you a long time, because if you may want to use it with your words and you may not. I'll show you what I've done so far, but I'm not putting words in every letter. Here you'll see as a sample, they did so on 2, but not all of them. I'm spelling the letter create. I'm not putting words on every one, so I'll be able to use those beautiful stickers on other projects. So you get this sheet. So like I said, I bought the letters for create, C-R-E-A-T-E, so I bought 6 kits, and I get all these letters, so I'm excited because I will use those. You get, everything's a punch out, so all you need to do is glue. You punch everything out, the leaves, the flowers, and I will do a tutorial after this, but I just wanted to show you how inclusive this kit is with the letters. So each letter you'll have a visual sample that you could see, and then it'll tell you exactly for each style letter how to put it together. Basically, you're just punching out the letters, layering the pieces on top and gluing them together, and folding up the sides as you like. That's it. So I will do a tutorial next.